Hello and welcome back to Maths Made Easy. In today's video, we are going to solve interesting question featuring factorization. AB plus C is equal to 2020, A plus BC is equal to 2021. Find the integer solution. Basically, we have to find the number which are whole number or the number with negative sign but not a decimal point or not fraction. So, could be 5 minus 5, 7 minus 7 minus 8, but not 7.8 or minus 7.8. Just example. Let's see equation number 1 and 2. What I will do here, I will subtract 1 from 2. So this is 2021 minus 2020 will give me 1 on one side. A plus BC minus AB minus C is equal to 1. By rearranging little bit of it, I can take A common from here and B common from here, so that I will be having two factors. A minus C, 1 minus B is equal to 1. Further, from this part, I can find the value of B that is equal to 0. 1 minus B is equal to 1. So B will shift here plus B and 1 will shift here minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So what I get? B is equal to 0. To find the value of A and C, I will be substituting this B is equal to 0 in equation number 1 and 2. If I substitute B is equal to 0 in 1 here, so this part is finished. The value of C is 2020. If I substitute the value of 0 in here, this part is done. So the value of A is 2021. B is equal to 0. By substituting the value of B is equal to 0 in equation number 1 and 2, we get the value of C that is 2020 and the value of A that is 2021. Further, this was case 1. We have another case also. If you see this one very carefully, this equation, 1 should be factor. If on the left hand side we have factors, what are the factors of 1? 1 into 1. What else? Minus 1 into minus 1. Okay. So we have done with plus 1. Now we have to solve case 2 for the plus, for the minus 1. Case 2. A minus C is equal to minus 1. Like here, A minus C is equal to 1. Now this time it is going to be A minus C equal to minus 1. And 1 minus B equal to minus 1. If you see this, we can find the value of B from here, that is equal to 2. Now substituting the value of B in equation number 1 is not going to give me A or C. But what I can do here is I can find the value of A that is or C from here. I will be finding for C. C is equal to A plus 1. So if I substitute C is equal to A plus 1 in equation number 1 and B equal to 2 in equation number 1, I will be able to find the value of A. Let's see how we can do that. I will mark this as equation number 3. We already got our value of B and now I will be substituting them in equation number 1. See? 2A, since the value of B is 2, so it is 2A plus A plus 1, since the value of C from equation number 3 is A plus 1. Now 2A plus A is equal to 3A is equal to 2021, since 2020 minus 1, 2019. Now divide by 3, we got our value of A that is 673. Now to find the value of C, we can substitute this 673 in equation number 3. 673 plus 1. So we got C is equal to 674. Now to just in the statement form, C is equal to 674. Therefore, we have two set of solution for the given question as follow in the order A, B, C. The solution sets are in the order A, B and C. The first value represent A, the second value represent B and third value represents C. So as per case 1, we have this set 2021 0 and 2020. As per case 2, it is 673 to 674. And you can verify each of the set by substituting it in equation number 1 and 2, and you will find that our answer is correct. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.